Pakistan as the Virat Kohli of teams these days. There is great legacy, there is great expectations. Uh, there is a lot of excitement when they play. But over the last 3-4 years, like Virat Kohli has disappointed. Even Pakistan is just disappointed. They've not really. I mean, I don't really remember the magic innings that or magic performances that you hear of Pakistan. They've not come in except for that 100 plus partnership that Rizwan and Babar put together, or the 2017, which was really the last magical performance that they put together in an ICC tournament. They've been struggling. They don't have the batting to kind of counter India's depth. I mean, they don't have the thing. I mean, India will have to lose this game. India will have to be overconfident and lose this game. And I think India has more to lose than Pakistan, and Pakistan needs to understand that they've anyway been losing to
Yeah,
India. Their record in ICC tournaments is bad, so they've nothing to lose. They should go out there and express themselves. That will make for a good game. I still think India will beat them, but the pressure really is on India. They have to keep the winning record. Yeah,
and
very similar to what Virat Kohli feels. I was listening to that interview of Kumble and Sanjay Manjrekar talking about Kohli,
Mhm.
and they said Manjrekar was saying that there's a lot of pressure on Virat Kohli, and I really think I think that's not a fair assessment. None of the players in the wide format are struggling. I mean, without Virat Kohli, we've been winning. Him scoring. I mean, without him scoring heavily, we are winning in the white ball format. There's a Shreyas Iyer who's in amazing form. There's Gill who's always there. Yashasvi is not even part of the 15. You know,
yeah,
Hardik is there. Rohit is doing his job in the one day format. So I think Virat really doesn't have it tough. It's not like Sachin, where the whole burden, even when he was out of form, the burden was still
yeah,
on him. Here, Virat has got
yeah,
like four guys who are ready to take the onus. He just has to go there, express himself, and show why he was rated as one of the greatest of all times. And I
yeah.
I see that same thing with both the team, Pakistan as well as Virat Kohli. They have it easy. They really have to go out there and express themselves, and we'll see some fantastic cricket on Sunday.